It's me again, Ricky Dudley here. I'm out here in Hazel Green right now. Thought I'd come out here and we're gonna check out this firework factory. As a matter of fact, my niece Wendy and her husband Brian, they own this particular shop here, and I told her I was gonna come in and check her out and do a little bit of a checkout. You know what I'm talking about. We're gonna go in here and get us a little bit of fireworks, so let's go in here and check out and see what they got, y'all. All right, check it out, everybody. This is Wendy. Y'all check out her shop. Look, we got all kinds of stuff in here. I'm gonna walk around. We're gonna check it all out. Man, they got all kinds of stuff. Pretty decent prices too, you guys. They got some good prices up here. Let me get this here. Oh, so y'all see some of these prices. I don't know if you can catch that. There it is. There's some prices. That's on the Daredevil there, but a lot of them are just about the same. And these are all one big old bunch here. These are the big massive ones that you see going blue, 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 bloom everywhere, you guys. So you guys make sure you come check her out. They have all kinds of stuff. Look here, here's one. For you Elvis fans, there you go. Check it out. You got the ghoulish ones. Zombies Revenge. After Hours. They even got the tanks. We got the mortar shells. Got a little bit of everything in this place.
The worst thing ever. You mix two of them.
Trying to show the video tonight. This is the big massive one, y'all. Look. Y'all come get you one. And see if I can get that prize on her. There you go. Let's go down these aisles here and see what they got. Ooh, check them out. Airstrike. Think big. Ooh. And all different kinds of stuff, you guys. There's a smoke show. A lot of these I ain't never seen before. They've got so many different kinds of fireworks in here. Boy, I'm here to tell you. Alright, there's your speed racer. I guess that's a pig racer, ain't it? Ah! You got your rush hour. Alright. Shark Attack. Look at her. For all you shark fans out there. Alright. Thrills and Chills, you guys. Check these out. Boy, it's some massive stuff here, man. They got stuff everywhere. Oh, well, look at there. Ground blasters, $2. Alright, they got the small stuff right here. Y'all like the small stuff. They got bunches and bunches and bunches of the small stuff. So, we got the baby Yodas in here. Check it out. Little Sharky dudes. For all you Sharky fans, there you go. You guys make sure you come. Alright. Now check them out. Now these are the best right here. Them some of the best ones you can get right there. Them look good. They do a little bit to take care of, but they're good. Got Excaliburs, got Bureaus, the clowns. Do y'all like clowns? There's the clowns. Hello Delights. Alright. Here's the other. Here's for you dog lovers. Look at that little poochie poochie. Roman candles. Hope everybody like Roman candles. I like Roman candles. Banzai. Alright. Whistling Moon Travelers. I remember them. We used to get them all the time. Sure did. Bottle rockets, sparklers. Look at the size of them sparklers, you guys. 36-inch long. Check them out. That's a big one. Yeah, that's a big one. You get 4 piece. There's 4 of them for $5. That ain't bad, you guys. Got the heart shape. Got all different kinds. These here are good ones too. These are big morning glory lookings. Yeah, there they are right there. Them's the jumbo morning glories. Yeah. Oh, they even got the little kitty pack shops. There's little backpacks. Alright. Got water jugs. Whoa, these are all full of fireworks, you guys. Smoke bombs. Big red smoke bombs. Color smokes. That ain't bad. It's $12 for a whole box. Yeah. This is her shop, y'all. Y'all liked it? I hope y'all liked it. So if you did like that, hey, give it a good thumbs up. Make sure y'all come give her some love too. And so hey, it's getting close to the 4th of July, you guys. This here's out in Hazel Green, right here off the highway, right next to the Papa John's. So y'all can't miss it. Y'all make sure y'all come out. Give her some love. See y'all later. God bless, and y'all be safe this 4th of July. Love y'all. We'll see y'all later.